/anime, and we're at London Expo Comic Con 2022 October edition. Let's see what they've got!
Have a lot of catching up to do. Just to check, are you guys ready? Is Troy ready? Ladies and gentlemen, make lots of noise for the one, the only, Troy Baker!
It was like, every time I see someone say I love it or I hate it, it's a win. Because we did what we set out to do, is make you feel something. And for a lot of people who have said, I absolutely hated it, my follow-up question immediately is, did you finish it? 90% of the time, no. Okay, finish the game. Finish the game and then let's talk about it.